If you want to connect your email with your CRM and work more efficiently, adding the Salesforce plugin to Outlook is a great step. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to install and use the Salesforce plugin in Outlook even if you have zero experience. This integration helps you track emails, manage contacts, and link conversations directly to Salesforce records. To get started, first log into your Salesforce account and go to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find search bar, type Outlook Integration and make sure the option Outlook Integration and Sync is enabled. This step is important because the plugin will not work unless the integration is turned on in Salesforce settings. Next, open your Outlook application. Go to the Microsoft App Store from within Outlook by clicking on Get Add-ins. In the search bar, type Salesforce and look for the official Salesforce add-in. Click on Add to install it into your Outlook account. Once the installation is complete, refresh your Outlook window so the plugin can appear. After refreshing, you will see a Salesforce icon or panel inside your Outlook interface, usually on the right-hand side. Click on it and log in using your Salesforce credentials. This step connects your Outlook account with Salesforce. Once connected, you can start using the plugin. You can link emails to Salesforce records like leads, contacts, and opportunities. You also have the option to log emails directly into Salesforce so that all communication is saved automatically. This helps keep your CRM updated without extra manual work. Another useful feature is syncing contacts and calendar events between Outlook and Salesforce. This ensures that your meetings, contacts, and important information stay consistent across both platforms. You can also use email templates to respond faster and maintain a professional workflow. In short, adding the Salesforce plugin to Outlook involves enabling Outlook integration in Salesforce, installing the add-in from AppSource, logging in, and using it to manage emails and CRM data together. Now that you know the steps, set it up and start improving your workflow with this powerful integration. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.